Do you own a Ford Bronco and you're not satisfied with the sound system? Are you upset after spending all that money and you don't even have a sound system with a lot of bass and loudness and clarity that would satisfy you? Well, you're at the right video that will show you a solution that does not cost a lot of money. It's badass technology and engineering from Audio Control and Stinger Car Stereo. It's mind-blowing that they figured out how to add a custom enclosure to the tailgate and engineer speakers with 3-in load the allowed to play louder with more bass, utilizing the same factory power without adding additional amplifiers. For the bass amplifier, we love kicker amplifiers with stop and go surge protection if it's under
DEST, same hoes hating used to wanna be besties. You can get your wig turned like Effie. I don't need insurance cause a bitch can't wreck me. Ready, on out I'm coming like Freddy, I'm mother. Hanging on my chick is your daddy. Got that T, bitch catch it. You look like a discount meat on X. I'm the female titan, I'm stepping on bitches. I'm showing my titties, I tore up the city. I'm P.I.M.P, I be knowing these niggas.
Like the tone of that?
Know the streets are up, lights burned out. Dope fiends die with a pipe in their mouth. Old school buddies not doing it right. Every day it's the same and it's the same every night. I wouldn't shoot you, bro, but I'd shoot that fool if he played me close and tried to test me.
So what's your thoughts on the system, man?
So we got the Bronco audio control box that bolts into the back. That thing is ridiculous. We have to turn the bass down on the factory. So if you turn all the way flat, it's got too much bass. So and then we got the audio control 6.5-inch speakers. We got audio control drop in 2.75, and then audio control 4-inch coax in the factory rear, doing amazing, all off the factory power. And it's pretty good, man. It's got everything I want it to.
So
It's smooth, it changes tones, and it hits every note you want it to hit at a relatively good price.
so this 3 ohm is not a myth, actually works.
No, so these are 3-ohm drivers, which makes the factory radio or whatever is powering it, any amp, give it more juice. So, and then obviously the speakers sound better, so without adding, expensive 4-channel amplifier to play everything. Now we can do that later if he wants it crazy loud, but that definitely woke up the factory. And then it's obviously stable enough, hasn't shut off or nothing, so that was the idea behind it.
And we don't have to go through like removing the dash, removing the screen,
No,
removing actual the airbag to
No,
get
we
to the
just
module.
took the factory speakers out, redid the plugs, and plugged them in.
That's it.
Yeah.
And add the subwoofer on the tailgate.
Yeah.
Here, let's talk
Which
about the
is designed
tailgate
to drop
subwoofer.
Alright, so here is our Bronco box. So this is a box that's all weather lined and rhino lined with our audio control space 12-inch single 2-ohm. So it's a 2-ohm final load. So just make sure that. And this is actually bolt on. It comes with the kit and everything to mount it and hardware it, and it's actually flush. Look at it, it's flush with the tailgate here. So the idea is you have a nice big old 12-inch subwoofer, but in my trunk, I got no space taken up.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up all the way so we get it bumping.
Everybody wants space, but they want to take up space. So this is flush with the tailgate, so I can close it, load groceries.
Bass that doesn't take space.
And then being firing it forward actually loads better. So now you can put all of our stuff in the trunk and no space. And if you guys actually go off-roading, 100% waterproof. That woofer in that box is waterproof. So the rest of the car isn't, but that is. So if you go mudding and stuff, you're good. And then once you're in here, you can see it loads and it's literally shaking the mirrors.
Hey, Shaw.
Play some big bass.
Film, little player shit. Hello. What's up, baby? All right, let's Shaw. I got you. I got you. Hey, you wanna cut that preamp down? Straight. Yeah, like that low feel. Check, check, check. Hey, just shout out. Love to, all right, big, truck, right, big,
This is what you can see it flexing the windshield. Like, look at that. Like, yeah, like right here in the light. So So for relatively factory system, that's not, you don't see any crazy pods, no crazy modifications. Pretty much stealth mode, and sounds as aftermarket as anything else.
And you're gonna make a lot of Bronco owners happy with this setup.
Yeah.
So it's simple. 2.75, 6.5, 4 inches, the box, amplifier, bass knob, the signals from the app, cars put back together, 8-hour to 12-hour job. It depends on your experience, and you will deliver a masterpiece.
The other thing we sell too, which if you guys want, I have an actual amplifier install kit that's already pre-illuminated, pre-harnessed, and terminated specifically for a Bronco with brackets that bolt under the seat that are powder coated to mount an amplifier and do the whole install.
So if
do it
you
over the
wanna,
counter, or these guys can install it for you, and it already has a powder coated bracket for this fuse block. It's already pre-ran for you. All you gotta do is just do the labor. But it's already terminated and everything's done for you.
well, it's simple. You sell it on Stinger.com, right?
Yeah.
Stinger.com. You could find all these products. You go order it. Whether you're in Dubai or Hong Kong and you want a Bronco, just, some Bitcoin will get you there.